Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Hawthorn Bonsai, Ryan here. In today's video I'm going to remove the air layers off the hawthorns and we'll just get them potted up into the greenhouse for the winter. So stay tuned and we'll get into the video. What I'll do is I'll go outside, cut all the air layers off instead of boring you watching us saw them. We'll bring them back in and we'll have a look and get them potted up. Before we get into the video, please take a minute to subscribe and help the channel out a bit. So I'll get my saw out, go and cut these air layers off and we'll come back. So after cutting all the hawthorns off, we've got 5 in here, and there's about 3 outside. A big packet, so I'll pour myself a pint. So what we'll do is we'll make a start with these. We'll trim the foliage down and we're just going to slip pot them into some baskets. We'll slip pot them, we'll leave the moss on unless it falls off. So, a lot of work to do. Let's get going. Cheers folks. Okay, so I'm just gonna tease them out a little bit. Shouldn't really touch them now. Mix is all done. Tray rose shrub and pot and grit, like I always use, just for the drainage. Okay, that there, and we'll get it filled up. I'm not be using chopsticks on this, pointless. I'll just be using the old fingers. Packing the soil down. So, one done. What I'll do is I'll pot the rest and I'll come back on and I'll show you these potted. And what we'll do is we'll have a look at the semi-cascade. So, I've got all them potted up. That was the one that was in the greenhouse. A nice twist. My mate Mickey Miyagi's. I already put his name on that one. He's taxed that. This had roots, It looks a bit brown. So we'll just see what happens with it. That's 2. Third one. See, why I've done the air lanes is all this would have just been chopped off the tree in the final design, so we might as well try and get some trees for nothing instead of just throwing them all away, cutting them off. We've got that big one there, little stump. Got some nice old bark on that. This is the one that was calloused, so I've stuck a little white tag in the back. So next year, if it doesn't live, I know that's the one that was calloused. Then we've got this one, which will end up like that for a semi-cascade. You couldn't carve that wood in there, it's all natural. It's all natural. Not a good tree if it lives. So there's just the cascade left to do. Bit luck, it's worked. So what I'll do is I'll go and get it and bring it in, have a look. So this is the one I want to live, if it lives. What I'll do is just, same as before, just take some length off. I'm not really bothered where I cut. But half of this will not be in the final design anyway, if it lives. I'm just going to get the height down, get it in the greenhouse and pot it up for the winter. Excuse me. Feels loose in the pot, like. Well, like I say, I've had callus as well. That look like a tree already. Right, fingers crossed. Let's have a look. Damn it up. No happening in there. Nothing. Calluses. See, we weren't using that end. What I'm going to do is just rub the top off the calluses, just to open them up a bit. And he's just going to get potted. I've cut the stump off the bottom. Scrape the calluses with a saw, just to open them back up. Just need to get it in, get it growing. I've just added a little bit of wire on the back, just to stop it moving. Yeah, so that one's done. What I want to do is add another white tag in. Then we know them's the ones that's calloused. The rest have got root. A bit luck, they'll live. So as you can see from the background, we've got 8 trees, 8 hawthorns, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we've got 8 hawthorns there. 4 of them definitely got roots. 2 of them calloused. Like I say, I've had trees that's calloused work before, Well, fingers crossed these do. What I'll do now is I'm just going to stick them in the greenhouse, give them a good water, and they'll stop in there over the winter. And next spring, we'll find out what lives. Well, got a lot of mess to clean up. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. And if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Any comments, just leave them below and I'll get back to you. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!